is February 21st, 2025. I just arrived by train at Vienna Central train station. I've been in the train for the last 3 some hours and I need a little bit of fresh air, so I stepped out and you know, apartments nearby, not as colorful, but it looks like a functional terminal station. It's Vienna Central train station. Today is February 21st, 2025. I am in Vienna, Austria. I just got here by train from Salzburg, Australia this morning. I believe this is the center square of Vienna, Austria. I will spend some more time in the coming days on those buildings, but today is just an overview. It is February 21st, 2025. I am in Vienna, Austria. This is another square. Appears to be where Provincial State Hall is located. And this is again a statue of some sort. I'll find out who this person is. But the buildings are in very light, pale, smoky white. And opposite building is in very light beige color. Very grand, clean structure. Today is February 21st, 2025. I'm in Vienna. This is another square that I wandered into. This one appears to be a collection of admin buildings, churches. Look at this, the color of this building facing the sun. So rich in color, so grand. Lots of museums. Today is February 21st, 2025. I am in Vienna, Austria. This appears to be another square. The structure is grand, mostly color beige, all white. I don't see the colorfulness that I saw in Salzburg, Austria. And you see stone figures, statues, stone balcony, and I think this in front of me appears to be like a butterfly museum or birds museum. Some musician is playing saxophone. Right in front of me is a museum quarter. There are an assortment of different museums. Today is February 21st, 2025. I am in Vienna, Austria. I wandered into their Parliament building square. This is their Parliament building. Looks beige gold statues in stone. The sun is trying to fight. And here is a police car on duty. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It is February 22nd, 2025. I'm in Vienna, Austria. This is their opera house, State Opera House. I just find out the next available guided tour they offer would be not until Monday. And I will not be here Monday. I will be back in Prague. So it's quite unfortunate. I cannot see inside. Maybe next visit. This structure is not so extraordinary compared with what I have been seeing in Vienna. They all look very nice and grand. Perhaps the inside will be impressive, but this is surrounding. All the buildings look nice and grand. Neutral color. It's right in the heart of Vienna. It's February 23rd, 2025. I'm in Vienna, Austria. This is their famous museum or palace called the Schonbrunn Palace. It's a big collection of items. I don't have the time. I don't plan on visiting interior, but I just stopped by to say hello. It's a large collection. This yellow exterior color is what I learned is called Austria yellow. It's February 24th, 2025. This is the Airbnb apartment that I stayed for the last 3 nights in Vienna, Austria. Functional, a little disorganized though. I didn't get to use the stove because I just couldn't get it to work. I did use the washing machine, which is helpful. Here is a little kitchen and the bathroom. Today is February 24th, 2025. I just arrived via this train from Vienna, Austria to Prague, Czech. This is the train terminal or the boarding deck of Prague train station. There are a few other train stations in Prague. This appears to be the larger one.